So over the past several years doing budget content here on YouTube, I feel like I've had a pretty good hold on, what items are cheaper at Walmart versus Aldi. But with grocery inflation really on the rise over the last several months, I wanted to see what items that are most commonly bought at grocery stores actually cheaper at Aldi versus Walmart. So today they are going head to head on 24 common grocery items, and we are going to see, is Aldi cheaper or is Walmart cheaper? Food inflation has seen its largest annual increase since 1981, and the inflation rate this year for food is 8.8%, but things may get even worse. Unfortunately, U.S. food inflation is to hit 9% by the end of 2022. Rising prices for staples like bread, milk, and meat should continue this year, also in part due to the Russia-Ukraine conflict. So in this video, I really wanted to take a look at popular grocery staples and do a price comparison, really just go into Walmart and go into Aldi and share with you guys the results. So trying to find a centralized list of the most commonly purchased grocery items in America is a bit difficult. There are conflicting sources, but I did my best to compile a list of commonly purchased items. So let's start out and we'll see at the end of the video who is the winner, Aldi or Walmart. Okay, so first up, we have apples. Apples at Aldi for a 3-pound bag are $3.39. Walmart does vary in their prices for apples. I did find some Granny Smith apples that were $4.18, and then some Gala apples that were $4.52. So for apples, Aldi is the winner. For bananas, the prices are very similar. At Aldi, bananas are 56 cents a pound, while at Walmart, they are just a penny more at 57 cents per pound. So for bananas, Aldi is the winner as well. For bread, I compared 100% whole wheat bread. At Aldi, a loaf of that is $1.45. At Walmart, it is $1.48. So Aldi is the winner there again. For peanut butter, I just compared an 18-ounce jar of plain peanut butter. At Aldi, it's $1.69, and at Walmart, it's $1.72. So Aldi wins again on peanut butter as well. I want to take a quick break and thank today's video sponsor, Upstart. When we're talking about saving money, one of the things that you can also save money on is high interest credit card debt. I have been there before in the cycle of credit card debt, and it is not fun. Saying goodbye to high interest credit card debt is one of the first steps toward financial independence, but the interest month after month can feel like you're in a never-ending hamster wheel, and that is where Upstart comes in. Upstart powered personal loans can help you pay down high interest debt all online with simple and easy to understand payment terms. Upstart has helped over 1.8 million customers on their path to financial freedom. So whether it's paying off credit cards or consolidating high interest debt, or even just funding personal expenses, Upstart can help you get one fixed monthly payment with a clear payoff date. Upstart also knows that you're more than just your credit score. So rather than looking at your credit score alone, Upstart's model considers other factors like your income, employment, and other information provided in your loan application to find you a smarter rate for your loan. The best part is that you can check your rate in minutes for loans between $1,000 to $50,000 without impacting your credit score, and you can even receive funds as fast as 1 business day after accepting your loan. Don't wait and check your rate today at upstart.com/Jen. I'll have a link in the description box below, and don't forget to use that to let them know that I sent you. The link is upstart.com/Jen. A few of you have let me know on Instagram that you have used this service and it has helped you out, so I always appreciate when you do that. Loan amounts will be determined based on your credit, income, and certain other information provided in your loan application. Once again, the link is upstart.com/Jen. Check that out in the description box below. Okay, so next up is cheese, and I can remember from doing budget videos in the past that cheese actually used to be cheaper at Walmart, but right now cheese for an 8-ounce block is $1.85 at Aldi, and it's actually $1.86 at Walmart. So for cheese, it is cheaper to purchase at Aldi. For cereal, I did decide to just compare Honey Nut Cheerios because it was comparable and I could find both of those kinds at both stores. And if you compare ounce for ounce, Walmart is actually the winner for cereal. For flour, Aldi has it for $1.56 for a 5-pound bag, same as Walmart, $1.56. So they are definitely tied there. And then the next thing that I looked at is broccoli, as it's one of the most commonly purchased vegetables. Broccoli at Aldi is $1.99 a pound, but at Walmart it's $1.87 a pound. So it is a bit cheaper and Walmart is the winner there. Potatoes are also another very commonly purchased item at the grocery store week after week. A 5-pound bag of potatoes at Aldi is $2.99, while at Walmart it is $2.64. So Walmart is the winner there. Deli meat is also another thing that many Americans purchase. And at Aldi, you can get sliced deli meat for $3.39 for half a pound, while at Walmart it is $9.97 a pound. So Aldi actually wins out there, and they have pretty good quality deli meat. I've been buying it for a long time. Okay, eggs have gone up significantly. As you guys know, they are so expensive. A dozen eggs at Aldi is $2.49, while a dozen eggs at Walmart is $2.59. So once again, Aldi is the winner there. In terms of potato chips, that's another very commonly purchased item. At Aldi, this size bag is $1.88. And once again, on this, I had to compare ounce to ounce because I couldn't find a comparable size bag. But even comparing ounce to ounce for potato chips, Aldi is the winner here. And like I said, they have lots of variety. I've purchased them many times and they're good. Another very commonly purchased item by Americans is soda. At Aldi, a 12-pack of Diet Coke is $6.18. I was a little bit surprised by this one. It's actually the same at Walmart. I thought it might be a little bit cheaper, but soda is tied there both at Aldi and Walmart. Okay, frozen pizza is another commonly purchased item. At Aldi, a thin crust pizza is $3.29, while at Walmart, a thin crust pizza store brand is $3.48. So once again, Aldi wins out there as well. For butter, a pound of butter at Aldi is $3.47, while at Walmart it is $3.58. Once again, Aldi is the winner there by about 11 cents. And then canned soup is another thing that Americans purchase pretty commonly. And so this was another surprise to me. The condensed soup at Aldi is 58 cents per can, and it's actually the exact same price at Walmart, 58 cents per can for condensed soup. So those two are definitely tied. And we do know that tomato soup is one of the most commonly purchased soups in America. Okay, for canned beans, Aldi has canned black beans for 71 cents. They have other cans of beans like dark red kidney beans for 72 cents. And this one was actually a tie. I know that the prices have changed on beans over the last several months, but at Walmart, beans are 72 cents as well. So this is pretty much a tie with Aldi beating out on the black beans by 1 penny. Next up is diced tomatoes at Aldi. These are 72 cents per can, and I believe they used to be cheaper at Walmart, but they have gone up in price. So now they are exactly the same price. Diced tomatoes, a can of those at Walmart is also 72 cents. So those two are a tie. Chicken breast at Aldi is $3.99 a pound. I know that you can sometimes get it on sale, so make sure that you look out for that. But Walmart is the winner here with boneless, skinless chicken breast at $2.97 per pound. For ground beef, I found 85.15 ground beef, 1 pound for $4.79 at Aldi. At Walmart, it's $5.46 for a comparable package. So Aldi definitely wins there on the ground beef. Next up is milk. This is another thing that is very commonly purchased and has gone up in price. At Aldi, a gallon of milk is $3.23, while at Walmart, a gallon of milk is $3.24. So 1 penny more expensive at Walmart, but Aldi wins on that one. Tortillas at Aldi, you can get a 17.5 ounce package for $1.95. The same size package at Walmart is $1.98. So Aldi is the winner there again. And then rice actually is the same exact price. So if you calculate it per pound, it comes out to 73 cents per pound at both Aldi and Walmart. So you can just find obviously varying different sizes of packages, but they are tied for rice in price. That rhymed. found at both Aldi and Walmart. Okay, so we can see here sort of the results of this particular comparison stacked up. You see Aldi on the left-hand column there and Walmart on the right-hand column. And I highlighted in green the different items which are cheaper at each store. So you can see overall that for this particular list of items, Aldi actually wins. Now, I will say that Aldi is not available in every single area of the United States. So I do still think that, especially if you have a Walmart near you, which most people do, I think that they are still a great deal for groceries. I think that in most cases, the prices are, the same, if not very comparable. But I was actually very interested in doing this exercise. And honestly, I kind of went into it a little bit biased, because in the past, when I've done budget videos before, I have found that Walmart has been cheaper. But in this exercise, I learned that Aldi is actually cheaper for many things. So what did you guys learn during this video? Do you shop at Aldi? Do you shop at Walmart? Are you doing anything with your grocery budget to sort of combat the high inflation prices? And have you been surprised by anything in this video? Please leave me a comment down below. I love reading your thoughts and opinions. And thank you again to Upstart for sponsoring today's video. Please check that link out below as well. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.